Hello viewers, so welcome back in new video. In this video, I will show how to use Camscanner apps in your mobile. Go to Google Play Store, then search Camscanner apps, then install. I already installed my mobile and open. I click camera, then of which page you want to scan, then arrow button. File is scanning, then click tick mark. Okay, this is scan done. After that, if you want to save PDF or JPG, then I save JPG, my gallery. Then share if you want to share anywhere, like WhatsApp, Messenger, mail. Now I save in my local drive. You can also send mail by using this PDF. Okay, you check. I check my mobile Camscanner option. You can see as I scan this file. Then I also save my PDF file in my mobile. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please comment below.